beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time stop at my channel. My name is Atunike. So guys, I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing DIY tutorial. Please do not forget to hit on the like button, like, share with your loved one, and please do not forget to comment down below. So we are going to be making use of these expression braiding hair. I'm going to be doing cut 2, and I used 2 pack of expression braiding hair to achieve this gorgeous hairstyle. So can you please keep on watching, guys? Then you need to stretch the hair out after you cut the hair. You can actually cut the hair to any length you want. You can do cut 3, you can do cut 2, but if you want this length that I achieve, you need to do cut 2. So guys, can you see my hair is not even the same length again? When I asked, they said it's because of the relocation, the water, the this, the that. So I'm treating it, guys. I don't want to cut it, guys. I don't want it to be on that low, very low cut. No. So I'm already figuring it out, and it's even better than before, guys. It's actually better than before. So you need to start from the back. Now when you want to braid, you have to start from the back. I'm doing a medium size, not small, not big, just medium size. So that is the size we are going to be achieving. If you want it to be smaller than this, feel free to do that. So you can see at the back, I use my hair as the third strand. If you're a beginner, this is very good method for you. Use your hair as the third strand. Then when you braid like with your hand like 5 to 6 times, then you can actually divide the hair. You can actually take little from the left, little from the right to make the braid 3 section. Then you braid to your desired length. Kindly please keep on watching. So this method is also good. Use the braiding hair to wrap your hair around, then you start braiding. Then use the same method. Use your hair as the third strand. Braid like 5 to 6 times. Then take little hair from the left. Then little hair, braid a little. Then take little hair from the right. Then you braid down. Then when you get to the down part, the length you want to achieve, then you can actually take a very tiny, very tiny. If you take a lot, the hair will unravel. You have to make the braid hair very tiny. Then you knot it 3 times. Keep on watching, guys. So guys, we are done with the braids. So I take 3 braids, then I roll it around this flex rod. When rolling, make sure you twist very tight. That is what is going to give you the tight coils effect. Then I roll it down, space my hand. My hand was tight when I was rolling it. Sorry, I was on call with my mom. So let's do the same thing. You can actually use any size of flex rod you want. Any size, you can actually use any size. So that is what I'm trying to show you guys here. You can use the smallest, you can use the medium. You understand? When you want to use the small as the smallest, you have to take 4. Yes, 4. Then when you want to use the medium, you have to take 3 strands of braiding hair. So guys, kindly please keep on watching. So this part, guys, I beg go now. We get mine. You can dip the hair inside hot water, especially this style, most especially the back section. Please, oh, now we get mind that can do this. So I beg, you need to be extraordinary careful at this side, guys. Please and please be careful. So I didn't allow it to dry like that. I think I took it out 30 minutes or 20 minutes later. It was not up to an hour because I was on call with my mom. So it was not up to an hour I took it out. Can you see the call? I was very happy. She was even on video call with me. She was like, oh wow, the coils came out so good. So that is it, guys. So can you please keep on watching? You will have to separate the hair. You know, I told you for the medium coils, use 3 strands. For the smallest coils, you have to use 4 strands. So you have to separate them. By the time you, as a twist tight, when you are putting it on the flex rod, the coils won't fall. This hairstyle is still on my head. As I'm making this video, this is almost 2 weeks now. I'm still working it. I just add sheen to add some shine. So you can actually pack it to any style of your choice. But I try to pack it with I try to pack it this way with this TikTok hairstyle, this bond style. Yes, I try to pack it, but most especially I'm going to be dropping it, then put headband on it, or just go like that. Yes, because the coils are so beautiful than me hiding the coils. No, the coils is so beautiful than me hiding it and putting it in bond only. But you can actually rock it with bond without you not cutting the hair for the length you achieve. You don't need to cut it before putting it in a bond. That is what I'm trying to show you guys. Keep on watching, guys. You're still watching to this stage, thank you so much. You're such a sweetheart. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Can you see? You can see I told you this coils is beautiful than me putting it in bond throughout. No, we don't have to hide the beauty of these coils. We don't have to hide the beauty of this hairstyle. Keep on watching, guys. Subscribe. Bye.